convert an audio to a text form. In this video, we are going to use an AI called Whisper, and it is found in a GitHub. We have provided the link that you can use it and get the command. But here I have already provided some few commands that can help you to install and convert your audio to a text. Sometimes you find it tricky to convert an audio and a larger audio in a free site here on our browsers. But today I'm going to teach you on how to convert your audio using the Whisper AI tool, which has been provided by the company, the company that owns ChatGPT. This is the best of best free system that can help you to transcribe your audio to a text. Let's do this. We go straight to our browser and we start what we know we do it best. So the first thing, the few things that you're supposed to have, your email and a browser. Then we go to our browser. We're using the Chrome. This is the browser, and we go to our Google apps. Then we click on Drive. Here you can see the email. There's nothing in my Drive, and we are not suggested to turn our Drive to that thing. So you click on then you go to More, and then you go to Get More Apps. The app we are going to find which I have indicated here is Google Collaborator. You're supposed to install Google Collaborator. So we write here Google and then you click enter. Here our collaborator is, and we click, then we say install. Then there is this window that say get ready to install collaborator needs your permission in order to start installing. We click continue. Here to confirm your email address, and you click your email, and then you click continue. Then you click done, and we go and and it goes this window. Now the first part, we will be able to finish successfully the first part. We go to the second part. The second part is to open Google Collaborator, and we go to more, and then we find it here. It is Google Collaborator. Here now we are be able to open our Collaborator, and we need to change a few settings here so that we can be able to convert. Remember the first thing you're supposed to do, you're supposed to go direct and rename your audio or your first the first project that you're going to create. This one we're going to call it or we call it conversion. You can know in any name that you need or you want. The second part, you click here on runtime. You click here runtime, then you click change the runtime, the runtime type, and then we select T4 GPU. Then we save. Now we start putting in our commands. That is not necessary at this moment. Here we need to keep in a few commands, and there is two different things that you can put. You can put a code, or you can keep in a text. But first we are going to use the codes. I have provided the codes. Here the codes tag install Whisper AI. Now the process is to install Whisper AI. Just copy the two codes, and we come here and paste them. Here they are, and we click the button here to run. Click it, and this will take a few seconds or a minute, second, like 30 to 2 minutes to install. But it will depend with your speed of the internet. With your internet also, it will take a few, a longer minute to install. Mine has started. Let's give it some time to finish. Wow! You can see some magic being done here. Here is a using caption and reader. So 20. Wow. Installing corrected packages of the reader. Those are packages. In this process, you can see here there is a name. This project is a project owned by the company that owns ChatGPT. Wow, it's successful. A few minutes for it to, yes, it's like the system has successfully installed for our Whisper system. Now the next thing, the time taken is 1 minute and 7 seconds. So, the next thing you need to do is to click on this symbol, and we copy our our audio. I have stored my audio here. My audio, and we are going to drag this audio here, and we will take a few seconds for it to be uploaded in our collaboratory. Wow, the process of uploading the audio has finished successfully. Now we are going to read the warning, which is ensure that the files are saved elsewhere. This runtime files will be deleted when the runtime is terminated, meaning when you terminate the runtime, for example, the conversation.ipynb, then everything that you have saved in this repository will automatically be terminated or deleted. So we take it, okay. Then the next thing that we're supposed to do is to get another, to use another command, and we click code, and then we copy our next command, which is whisper, then the name of our MP3, we put it here, and we paste it here. Control V, then we are going to edit vision, to the name of our audio, which is mp3, and we put it now this opening and closing remarks. So we click enter, and we wait for the magic to happen. So this one will take, as you can see, it consists of 1.42 gigabytes. This will take around 20 seconds for it to finish. So, as you can see, 20 seconds, and less than 20 seconds, that was 14 seconds. So now the converting or transcribing will start to get, first of all, the system will try to understand the language which is used. So you can see that the detected language is English, then the transcription will start automatically. So wow, the transcription has started. So my 00 says everyone, and I will come back to our channel. So as you can see, the transcription is being done. Is at 2 seconds. My audio is about 9 minutes and 27 seconds. So let's wait and see whether it will ask me to pay or it is. On this side, there is a few things that will be generated. The text as you can see has been generated. There is .srt, .psv, .txt, .btt, but the best version that we can use is .txt, and we click here, see, download, and you can see it here. Here the transcription is, everything is here, everything is here, so we can listen to our transcription and to our audio, and then we correct all the errors that will be in the transcribed document. Now, since that's done, I think now we can just stop from there, and thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Cooperative, and share the videos to your friends. Please help us to